Well, good afternoon. It is great to see you and welcome back to the shop, or actually welcome back to the shed behind the shop, where a week ago this space looked like this. Anyhow, we did a video of cleaning out this shed and getting rid of a bunch of stuff that I no longer needed or saw any use for. It made quite an impression, I think, on a lot of folks. I got a lot of interest in that video. And I want to thank all of you who took time to watch that video, and certainly those who took time to subscribe and those who took time to comment. I value all of those comments. So thank you very much. But I also wanted to take a minute and show you what happened to a lot of that stuff that we took out of here and took out to the curb. So I took some video of me taking it out to the curb and what happened from there. And it was kind of neat. It was kind of special to see that happen. So I'm going to share that with you, and then after that, I want to just address a couple of concerns that a few of the commenters had about the stuff going into the landfills, and maybe I could have done something better with that. So stick around to the end, and I want to show you what I'm actively doing to try to alleviate some of that, if you're at all interested in hearing. So here we go. Let's see what happened to that stuff that we took out of here. Okay, let's start taking this stuff out to the curb. Kind of covered it up because it was raining out. Let's see. All right, that's the first thing I put out. I don't think that's going to last an hour out here on the curb. Somebody's going to come by and pick it up. I'm hoping that they take the garbage can too. I don't want that, but I wouldn't be surprised if they leave it. Goodness. It doesn't blow away. I said that thing's not going to last more than 15 minutes. You beat me by 10. Good luck with it. Right. There's nothing wrong with that, except it never worked for me. You know, those things.
My kid knows how to mess with it.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's it. I think that's it. I found that along the curb, I don't know, like a year and a half ago. And I thought, I could find a use for that. No.
It's like aluminum wire.
I don't know what it is, but there's a lot of it.
Is it more?
No, that's it for
okay.
that, but Well, here we are the next morning, and I told you, all that stuff is gone. So scrappers and collectors and whatever came by and picked it up overnight. And I even helped a couple of them load stuff up. And I was happy to see it go. I was happy to see that somebody else could get some use out of that. And in fact, I do a lot of that too. I've got a playlist on my channel called Tuesday Trash Day Treasure Finds, where I go around on Tuesday mornings like this in my community, and I pick up stuff that I think I can find useful. So let's take a hike around, and we'll point out a few of the items that I've picked up off the curb that I use every day around the old homestead here. So before we go too far afield, let's take a look in the shed here. I picked up this lawnmower off a curb a while back. I don't really need 2 lawnmowers, but I keep that around because, well, I keep it around. I've probably picked up 3 or 4 others since then, fixed them up and either gave them back to their owners, or I sold them on the local Facebook marketplace for, a few dollars. And somebody was able to then use those rather than them going to the landfill. This I picked up off the curb. It's a little edger that I brought home plugged in. It works just fine. And just a couple weeks ago, I picked this up. Oh, and let's not forget these. I've got a couple of ideas about how to use them around the old homestead here rather than them going out to a landfill. That'll probably be some sort of future episode or episodes as we get into that. Let's take a look outside and see what else we have. Just walking around the backyard here. About a month or so ago, I picked these up. These are stanchions that help stack wood. So you put some 2x4s or some other boards in there, and they stand up in the end, and you can stack wood. All of this wood, by the way, all of this wood came off the curb somewhere. All of it was destined to go to a landfill. All this wood was picked up along the curb around town here and hauled over here by me, and This hose I picked up about a month ago, just sitting out on the curb. This raised garden bed, which, you know, is kind of at the end of its useful life for the season, but will last for many years, was fashioned out of repurposed wood from pallets that were just going to go into a landfill. And I did a video of that back probably in the May-June time frame. Go back and take a look at the archives of me building. First of all, one of these was a prototype and the other one was for the video. But again, this is all made out of pallet wood that would have been stuck in a landfill. Speaking of pallets and projects made out of pallets, let's take a walk back here. This pergola I built, I think, just after I put those raised beds together. And this was also all made out of repurposed pallet wood. So I picked some pallets up off the curb and tore them apart and then fashioned them into this. And all of that wood would have ended up in a landfill somewhere. It's a win-win. This stuff stays out of a landfill and, you know, I get some real use out of that. Now, I don't want to pretend that I spend a lot of time sitting back here, but it does act as a sort of a nice focal point for the backyard and also as sort of a privacy screen for both my neighbor and myself, so we're not staring into each other's, you know, living rooms from our own living rooms. So there's that. These two Adirondack chairs were also on the curb at two different times at two different houses, a couple of months apart, but they're the same chair, and I picked them up and I brought them back here. And again, I don't spend a lot of time sitting back here, but, you know, it does add a nice little accent to the backyard. And, you know, those chairs stayed out of a landfill. Let's see, let's walk over here. This gate was sitting out on the curb. I was driving by one day. I don't even think it was a trash day, but this gate was sitting out with some other stuff. And, you know, I thought, hey, I probably could use that. So I stopped and picked it up. I didn't measure it. I had no idea, but I knew I had this space here. So I picked up some eye bolts and put them in, and it fits perfectly. And again, that probably would have just ended up in a landfill somewhere. Not a big deal, but I really felt like it was something I could use. I'm glad I did. Over here we've got these two heaters. This was also in an episode of the Tuesday Trash Day Treasure Finds. I picked these up off the curb. I have yet to really get into these things and see them. I don't know that I really have a lot of use for them, but I just didn't want to see them going into a landfill. And if I can't use them, somebody can. They've got some sort of beat up heat shields up there, but I think with a little bit of ingenuity and a little bit of elbow grease, we can fix those up. Here's the other raised garden bed that I made. So there's the second one. And again, I was able to use that this year. Got some tomatoes that are ripening still on that. This hose bib was sitting on a curb a few weeks ago, month, maybe. Time goes fast, probably more than a few weeks ago, maybe a couple of months ago. But, you know, there's nothing wrong with it, and I picked it up, brought it home, and used it. This little butcher block table was sitting out on the curb one day, and I saw it and thought that I might be able to fix it up and use it, and it works as a perfect companion to my grill. I just kind of slide this in here, and I bought an extra large cover, covers the whole thing up, but now I've got an extra prep space. This needs to be cleaned up. It serves quite well, and again, would have ended up in a landfill, and I'm glad I grabbed it. Same thing with this. This was sitting on a curb not too long ago, getting ready to head to a landfill, and I thought that it might be a good companion piece out here on the deck. So we've got that. This little fire pit was sitting out on the curb not too long ago on one of my Tuesday Trash Day Treasure Finds. I picked it up. Had to do a little repair to some of the legs and some of the ways that it was put together. You know, from there, we kind of come over here and we take a look at this little table. It's not much, but again, that was sitting out on the curb. Somebody was going to throw that away, and I felt like I could use it out here, and it's come in real handy for setting my morning cup of coffee on. And then this little piece over here, this was out on the curb as well, and this little rack, and it fits perfectly here so that I can just reach out the door to grab some firewood. Again, all that firewood was going to be thrown out too at some point, and it came complete with this nice little cover. Again, perfectly functional. Somebody was going to throw it out. I grabbed it before the garbage guys could come and take it out to the landfill. So that's just the backyard. My garage is full of stuff that I've grabbed off the curb and have used. I've got just about a little bit of everything out there. And I think last but not least, I want to show you this flag. So I picked this flag up a little over a year ago when I was helping somebody whose house had been destroyed in a natural disaster, and there wasn't anything left of the house. We had a 40-yard dumpster out front. We weren't being too discriminate about what we needed to throw away. Everything had to go. That flag was just sticking out of the trash, so I grabbed it. But regardless of the circumstance, that flag was not going to go in the trash, not on my watch. I am grateful and proud, and I will fly that flag any day of the week, any place on this planet. So I hope that helps. I don't see myself as any kind of eco warrior, saving the planet, keeping things from landfills. It's mostly for selfish reasons, but I'm aware that I don't want to just indiscriminately throw stuff in the trash if I can help it. And that's kind of what my Tuesday Trash Day treasure finds are for. You know what is one person's trash, like this stuff here, is another person's treasure for somebody like me. And if you're interested in some of that stuff, check out my Tuesday Trash Day treasure finds playlist. I get out most every week and usually bring 1 or 2 things home. So check that out if you will, and let me know your thoughts. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Feel free to comment, give us a thumbs up, and continue to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks so much. Yeah, we can deal with that. I'm going to take it out with me. I'm trying to just grab the things that I can use. These look perfectly good. So I'm going to grab all of these. This little guy here, broken leg, little repair job, maybe paint that up as well. These are kind of interesting. I could certainly, find a use for those.